Okay, Nancy Lord, we're at Nanjing Tech University. Two quick things. In teaching them about synonyms and how to spice up their writing, I would ask them from time to time in class, what does this word mean? And I'd sit and wait patiently for them to tell me, and it would take 2 to 3 minutes sometimes, because they'd just sit there like, okay, just spoon feed us the meaning. And I thought, these kids need to learn how to go out and find it themselves. Obviously, they must have some kind of translation program on their phones, but they weren't using it. So I just taught them how to use dictionary.com and thesaurus.com, and particularly thesaurus.com, because we did an activity, and a lot of the people in Nanjing Tech did this, where these are just synonyms, and we cut them up and we passed them out to the room, and they had to, one had one, and another person on the other side of the room had another, and they had to find each other and match up the synonyms. But then after they did that, I said, okay, now go to thesaurus.com and find 2 more words that mean something similar to those words you found, so that they could learn that they can get more interesting words to spice up their writing and eventually their speaking as well. So that was kind of fun. And then we did another thing, because I didn't want to spend a lot of time on vocabulary in class. So I sent them to a website called EnglishVocabularyExercises.com. And this allowed them to do the work as part of their homework, part of their reading. I said, for your reading every day, do these English vocabulary exercises. And then at the end of the semester, I prepared a test that was similar to the kinds of sentences where they had to match the word with the sentence. And I think rather than at the end of the semester, I would do it earlier. I would do it like every week or every 2 weeks to make sure they're on track using these tools. And a lot of it's probably review for them, but maybe not. And they also can learn how a noun can become an adjective, can become an adverb, if you change the form of it. So I didn't have to do all that work. They did it at home. Thank you.